Vacant imagination.
So, I just got back from Atlanta. Lost my camera in the airport.
You fucking kidding me?
You know, you learn something from your mistakes. I was in the bathroom, left it in the bathroom. You know, I gotta take a leak. And instead of just putting it in my backpack, something so simple as to putting it away, and that would have been that. I don't even want to get into a story. I just want to talk about Renewal. I cut my hair, as you can see. You know what I mean? Shout out to Cuz for that.
Life be full of distractions, all you gotta do is get active. Watch how they praise you. Niggas be way into this rapping. Ain't saying shit up for after they make it. Better go through all the phases, nigga. Shit ain't that hard to go open a business. Boy, you some shit anyway. I can rap about busting my gun any day. Shit is basic.
I had a lot of footage. I had a lot of footage from when I went to Florida, and then obviously when I went to Atlanta. And those are memories that I can't, you know, recreate. Like, that's in the past. I went from using a Sony A7 III to selling that for the Fuji, you know, because the Sony was a little heavy with a 50mm lens on there, and at the time I had just got my Blackmagic, so I wasn't trying to have heavy equipment on me. You know, I like to run and gun. But I will say this: whoever got the camera, if you in Atlanta, Hartsfield Airport, and you got my Fuji, enjoy. Give me the SD cards. I don't give a fuck about the camera. It's probably an offering, you know what I mean? To be honest, I don't even know. This is probably what they needed in order to fulfill their purpose, you know? So it's just all perspective how you look at it. I could have been in a slump all day. I'm like, fuck that. I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna get right. Learn how to transmute your energy. That's what it's about. Transmuting your energy and putting that focus into something else. I'm gonna be updating y'all with more content and just the updates on what's going on with my cameras and all that good stuff. You can visit my website, www.vacantimagination.com. You can follow my Instagram @vacantimagination. I'm gonna leave it right here. It's about inspiring yourself. Start seeing yourself in a greater light than what you've been used to, you know? At the end of the day, it's you versus you. There is no competition. To all my shooters out there who lost equipment or are going through the same thing, you can't trip on the small stuff. Vacant imagination, I'm out this thing. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Let's bring it back to the basics. We coming back like a special occasion.
New name just came in, now 3BWX. Beast ground, it's not a pet. We make them throw in the towel when we connect. I was weighed down by the flesh. Won't break, won't bend, my class is S. I be around the best.